Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the size of the subtitle on the VLC application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the more button under the playlist option, the left side on the screen, and go to the settings icon. Scroll down, and in the X settings section you can find the subtitles option, and in the subtitles font style section you can find the first option, the subtitles size, and here you can select small, normal, big or huge option, and just select, for example, the big, and just click to the circle icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.